Fuck going on? I'm about to smash shit today. Let's do it.
Crazy young fuck, nigga.
You three little peers, I'm Big Bad Wolf. Like Kareem, I stay with a hook. I know how to fight, get hit with a hook. I caught him in traffic, I had his ass shook. When I was booked, I had money on books. Got put it in the blender, that ain't a good look. My bitch, she boo, you can tell how she looks. They say they be robbing, I never got took. Well, sit your ass down and go read a book. I'm smoking Zaza, my pops all the clutch. I'ma get on.
What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. I said I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Alright, so like,
Alright.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
Alright, y'all. I'm back with another video. We about to be doing a monkey video. It's gonna be a rate 1 through 10. Instead of us rating them, they're gonna be rating us. And I'm here with
FSOAJ.
Make sure y'all go follow him on his Instagram. His Instagram gonna be down there. Snapchat gonna be down there. So yeah, y'all go ahead and do that. He big single too. He don't talk to nobody. Nobody, right? Nobody? Why you looking a little nervous, bro? Hold on, bro.
I'm chilling.
Figure this nigga out. Little freaky what he is. Alright, but look, y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And without further ado, we gonna get straight to this video. Now, we back with the video, man. Alright, y'all. We finna be screen recording in 3, 2, 1. Alright, y'all, man. So we in the first person, you know. Starting off like, damn, I have mad and stuff. This a dude. We don't talk to dudes. Come on, baby. Baby, keep it on first. Baby, you know this. Baby, we gon' kill it. Patrick, no. Gay. Dang! They scared of you, boy. Tell me.
Nah, bro, cause
Oh my god. Whoo. Alright, look. I need y'all to do something for me real quick. At time. Look, I need y'all to do something for me real quick. That's alright. Can y'all rate us 1 through 10, please?
starting with him.
Starting with me.
Wait, what?
Bro, these girls weird, bro. Like, the United Kingdom girls are so weird. Like, I like foreign girls, but like, bro.
You talking about the wall, the ceiling, the shadow? They had me confused. Like,
Hey, what's up? Can y'all add time real quick?
Sure.
Alright, we doing this YouTube video. Can y'all rate us 1 through 10, please? Me start with me first. Alright.
11.
Alright.
ooh. And then me.
11 as well.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
They tried to make conversation. I don't do conversations. I got my 11 and I was out. No bow. Hey, smell my finger.
Oh, dude.
Alright, bro. Alright, let's be serious. Oh, it's 2 girls. 2 for 1. Hey, y'all.
Listen to something.
Hey, can y'all do me a favor? Can y'all add time real quick? I gotta ask y'all a question. I know, boy.
They really hung up or the time went out?
Ooh, Ooh, if you watching this video, I'll kill you, little girl.
They hung up.
Oh, bro.
How can they hung up?
I don't even know.
Pregnant.
Bro, chill out, bro.
No, I was talking about.
Why you talking about
I
pregnancy?
was talking about that because it said pregnant boys.
You pregnant? She 13, y'all. We ain't raping. Hey, y'all.
It's still morning over there.
You big, girl.
You bogus. You bogus.
Bro, she big, bro. Ain't my fault her mama raised a big girl. What you doing, bro?
No, we gotta rotate it.
Rotate it.
I mean, no, like, pass the phone then.
I know that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting until we get a girl, bro. Excuse me. Hello? Alright. Can you add time real quick? Alright, look. It's this YouTube video we doing. Can you rate us 1 through 10, starting with me first? Huh? Alright. You gonna rate us? Oh, starting with me first, then I'm gonna pass the phone to him.
Let me see. Let me see so she can see.
She just.
Now she said you were 8.
Oh, I'm an 8. Oh, I ain't here.
Alright, what I'm out? You said what?
She said same next. This girl need to fix her Wi-Fi. God, dog, boy.
Bronx.
We not racist. Hey. Hey, y'all. Can y'all add time real quick? Alright, look. Can y'all do it? Can y'all do me a favor? Can y'all rate us for this video? Alright, look, can y'all rate it? Y'all can hear me? Alright, look. Sorry we don't do those, baby girl.
Wait, what happened?
Bro, I'm not finna rate them in my video.
Oh,
No.
They told you to rate them?
Yeah, to my rate us first. Girl? Hey, Kendrick, pass me that charger so the phone won't die. Hello?
Oh, and the gray girl.
Thank you. Hey, can you add time real quick? I gotta ask you something real quick. Alright, is it cool if you in my YouTube video, right?
Yeah.
Alright, can you rate us 1 through 10?
Starting with him.
Starting with me.
10.
Alright.
Alright, not me.
9. 8.5. 9.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, thank you. Man, we don't be wasting our time talking to these little girls, bro. Little country white girls.
They was like, can you rate us first?
Man, do you think, I mean, hey, they got some cute eyes. I don't know what family they
Well,
in.
they all like sisters.
Bro, there was a boy at the end.
Oh. I thought that was a
Mama
girl.
raised it. Bro, I tell y'all about this connection, bro. Like,
Ooh. Popo.
hello? Alright, look, can you add time real quick? Alright, so look. Why you looking like that? You don't want to rate me?
Oh, not the 8.5. Put your face to the camera before she can see.
Man, shut
Wait,
your
you-
fat ass.
Divine, dude, you supposed to finish it.
Man, I ain't got time for no disrespect. I don't
Dude.
tolerate no disrespect in my video. Hello? Alright, so look. Can you do me a favor real quick? You got time?
Why?
Can you rate us for a video?
We'll start with him.
He's 8, and you are 7.
Alright, thank you. Disrespectful little girl, bro.
Wait,
Little OG cuz.
She was grown.
Bro, I don't know how old she was gonna tell me some why. What you mean, why?
She's probably grown, that's all.
Bro, this
She
why I
looking
need some
like
black
somebody
girls on here.
grown.
Like, them girls is black, but they tell me rate me first. I don't do that. No cap.
Nah, they was
I mean,
like,
no bad.
They was like mixed. They was like Puerto Rican or something. Cause they hair type.
Bro, we ain't get no action today. Ooh, 2 for 1. Hello? Alright, look, can you add time real quick? I gotta ask y'all a question. Alright, so look, is it cool if y'all in my my YouTube video?
Sure. No. Wait.
Alright, I can just blur your face out.
Okay, there. Yes.
Alright, so look. Can you rate us 1 to 10?
The one on the left is a 8. The one on the right is a 5.
Wait, I'm the 5.
The one with the hoodie, you're like a 7, and the one in the white shirt, you're like an 8.
Thank you.
Wait,
I
what's your
appreciate
YouTube
it.
channel?
Alright, it's J2 Saucy. JAY space TO Saucy. Alright, thank y'all.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Hey, she gonna subscribe for sure.
Bro, that girl, I ain't gonna lie, I don't like white girls. I don't know what she was.
Nah, the one on the right, she was decent.
I was finna say it stopped screen recording. I had
You can't lie, she was decent.
to re-up, no cop.
With that girl with the red.
St. Paul.
Hello.
Hello. Can you do me a favor real quick?
What's up?
We don't mess with no dudes. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Wait, you hung up or you?
Nah, the time ran out. I ain't finna add time. I heard his voice. What's up?
Alright, what if you were?
Nah, bro. You can't get my number. You ain't getting the knees draws over here.
Bro,
You can get in them draws though.
No.
AJ going all the way. Hello?
Jeremy, secret talent now.
Hey, you 13?
Yeah.
Alright, I need one of y'all to hump the dog real quick.
How about you and your cat?
What? I don't even got no cat. Bro, I couldn't do that, bro. They was 13, bro. Yeah, boy. I'm grown. I'm big grown. Too grown for them. We gonna do 2 more, then that's gonna be it. She 13 too. How old you is? You 14? Why you lying? It say you 13, little girl. Got us bent. Hello? Can you add time real quick? Alright, yeah, is it cool if you in it? I can just blur your face out. Alright, then you big bitch.
No.
See, no. Alright, this the last one then. We gonna call it one.
What?
She 19. She finna tell us I was finna say. Compared to our thing, we look like we got little pickles. What up? Hey Alberto, what up, my boy?
Alberto! Hey, what's up?
Yeah, what up, my boy? Mama.
He's finna say something. I want to hear what you finna say.
Hi, hello.
What's up?
How old you is?
I'm not telling you.
Yeah, that's a scam. I ain't trying to catch no case. Got me bent. And he got all this porn all on his phone.
What?
Alright, y'all, man. The screen recording stopped. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Go follow him. Go follow my social medias. Go like my recent picture, too. Just took it today. As y'all can see, I kind of got some drip on it. It's not all that, though. But, yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And you got anything else to say?
Off FSO, we making a documentary tomorrow.
It's yeah, we making a documentary tomorrow. Basically, it's he just farted. But anyway, we making a documentary, basically explaining like where we come from and what was our purpose of making YouTube and stuff like that. And the person that's interviewing us is my old teacher from freshman year. If y'all know him, and y'all go to TF North, I'm pretty sure y'all know Mr. Posey. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And I don't know when it's gonna be out, so don't be asking me, don't be bugging me about it. But yeah,
it's gonna be out though. Probably that same day, probably.
yeah, but we filming it tomorrow, so yeah, I might do a public interview at school too. I don't know, but yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we out.